Filing a long-term disability claim can be an overwhelming experience, especially when you're already dealing with a serious illness or injury. Understanding what insurance companies look for, what evidence you need to submit, and what to do if your claim is denied can make all the difference in the outcome of your case. Hi, I'm Leah Small, a partner here at CCK Law, a nationally leading public interest law firm based in Providence, Rhode Island. Today, I'm going to discuss what it takes to build a strong long-term disability claim from the very beginning, and what you can do to strengthen your position if that claim gets denied and you need to appeal. Before we begin, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more LTD content. When filing an initial long-term disability claim, it's important to start early. Most policies have strict deadlines for filing a claim. You should also read your policy and plan documents carefully, as these will tell you the exact definition of disability you need to meet. It's also important not to assume that your doctor's records speak for themselves. Insurance companies review these records closely and look for gaps. It's a good idea to obtain a copy of your medical records yourself so that you can review them and determine what additional evidence may be needed to fill in any gaps, such as supplemental reports or additional evaluations. Obtaining your medical records yourself also allows you to ensure that the insurance company actually receives all the relevant records in support of your claim. When reviewing long-term disability claims, insurance companies want to see consistent treatment history and documentation of your symptoms. As mentioned, gaps in treatment can be used against you. They also look for test results, imaging results, lab work, and specialist evaluations. They want to see detailed functional assessments from your treating physicians. This isn't just a diagnosis, but an explanation of what you cannot do because of your condition and resulting symptoms. It's important to remember that both objective and subjective evidence is important for long-term disability claims. When filing for long-term disability, there are several mistakes that claimants commonly make, though. The first is choosing to rely solely on their doctor's records without supplementing them. The second is failing to follow prescribed treatment recommendations. The third is having inconsistencies between their reported limitations to their doctors and to the insurance companies and what they are actually doing in their daily life or on social media. The insurance companies do conduct surveillance and will compare what you are seen doing and what you are posting online to what you are reporting to them and to your doctors. Claimants also sometimes miss filing deadlines or fail to respond to the insurance company's request for information. This can result in unnecessary claim denials. If your LTD claim is denied, it's important to act quickly, as most ERISA-governed plans give you only 180 days to appeal. You should request your full claim file from the insurance company right away, as you are entitled to this for free under ERISA. It's also important to read the denial letter carefully in order to understand the basis for the denial and what additional evidence you should be gathering for the appeal. As part of your appeal, you want to strengthen the medical record. This can include things such as updated treatment notes, additional specialist opinions, and independent medical exams. You should also consider vocational evidence as part of your appeal. A vocational expert can speak to your ability or inability to perform work. It's important to remember that in ERISA-governed claims, the appeal is typically your last opportunity to submit new evidence before the record closes. If your case goes to federal court after an appeal denial, you usually cannot add anything new in support of your claim. It's important to consider hiring an LTD attorney, ideally as early as possible, even at the initial claim stage. But at a minimum, claimants should consider hiring an attorney before filing the administrative appeal. As I mentioned, the appeal is often the last chance to build the record in support of your disability. An LTD attorney can help identify weaknesses in your claim before the insurance company does, and legal representation levels the playing field against large insurance companies. Building a strong long-term disability claim and a compelling appeal requires knowing exactly what insurance companies are looking for and making sure your evidence meets that bar. If you're dealing with a denied claim or are unsure how to put your best foot forward, we may be able to help. If you need help with your long-term disability claim or appeal, our team at CCK Law may be able to assist. Since 1999, we've been helping claimants go up against big-name insurance companies. We know what they look for in a successful claim and may be able to help you too. Contact us today for a free case evaluation, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more LTD content. Take care.